はい。
All right, today we're gonna bring this LED light. We already hung it with its actual string on the top. I'm glad it came with it. Very powerful light, very powerful light. We did end up running a cable, but I think we're gonna get an electrician and run cable throughout this. Now, this light is gonna be necessary for our painting station. This is our painting station here. It gets real dark. We need some extra light. We're gonna set that up here. We're gonna lower it down if we need more brighter light, but right now as it is, it's light enough, it's bright enough, so we are okay with it.